So in 6D, they throw this function g of x at us, which is annoying because it's piecewise, but there's nothing we can do. So we just have to deal with it. So g of x is this, and they're asking us if it's possible that g of x and f of x are the same function. So to do that, we start with f of x, and because f double prime of x exists on the interval negative 1.5 to 1, we know that f prime of x is continuous on that interval. So then we go to g of x, and we're going to find g prime of x. So g of x. If we take the derivative of the top part, we get 4x minus 1 for x is less than 0. And if we take the derivative of the bottom, we get 4x plus 1 for x is greater than or equal to 0. So what that tells us is that g prime of x is not continuous at 0 because these functions are different and they don't equal each other at 0, so it's not continuous.
If we plug the value of 0
Yeah.
in, it's become 1 equals to minus 1, which is...
Yeah, so if we plug in g prime of 0, we have negative 1 here and positive 1 here, and it can't be equal to both of those. So it's not continuous. So because f prime is continuous for this interval and g prime of x is not continuous for that interval, the functions can't be the same. And that's the answer.